Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 2 using elements from the November 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And I've used the die from the add-on kit and cut it out with basic beige paper, and that's what I will be stamping the greeting from the set on. I've got the tag from the set and I've run it through the mini corrugated folder. I've got the bow from the kit, and I'm just going to grab some linen thread so we can tie those two together. And let's put my end in so that I don't lose it. There we go. And I'm using a bunch of elements, including the paper, from the Christmas Tags and More 6x6 Mix and Match Specialty Designer Paper Series. If you don't have this set, but you've got the Traditions of Christmas DSP, you can do something very similar with it. There's lots of different options. This is just one that I've chosen. I've got a real red card base, and I'm going to grab my adhesive and just put this down. I have cut this out with one of the party banner dies because I love the party banner dies, so I will continue to use them all the time. Okay, so we're just going to pop that down like that. That gives us a nice wide border. What I really want to do is focus on the grouping that's in the middle. So I'm just working out in my head how to put all of this together. So I'm just going to ink up my stamp. And then I'm stamping down in the bottom corner here because my bow is going to come down here. Okay. So I'm going to put this down and this down. I am going to tie these together. They are going to be glued down, but I am going to tie them together. So let me just get my tweezers out so I've got something to weight this down with. Okay. And I just, in previous videos, I just weigh this down so it's easier to tie this bow. I'm just going to tie a knot first. Okay, and then we're going to tie the bow. There we go. Okay, and I can trim this. This side's a little bit bigger, so we're just going to trim this end off here. There we go. Okay, let's get stuff out of the way that we don't need. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to adhere this down. So I'm just going to pop this down like this. And this is going to get adhered down right about here. Okay. And then I'm going to put these two sets of leaves down, and these are from the Christmas Tags and More Specialty DSP. And they are going to go like this and like this. Okay, and we're going to keep that up out of the way. And then the bow is going to go down, and it's going to go down like that. And that's why I have stamped this off to the side down the bottom. So I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on this just to hold it in place. That's going to go up like this. There we go. So we've got that like that, and I can even pull this down so it's a little bit closer like this. So I've got two bows on the top there. And then I'm going to take a dimensional, and I'm going to dimensionalize this. So I've actually now got kind of a third bow going on with these little bells here. So lots of layers, lots of things going on with this. I am going to take my, these are the traditional sparkling gems. I'm going to take the little red ones and I'm just going to pop them down just to add a little bit of interest and bling to the bottom piece of the card. And I'm going to put one like that. I think that's probably all I need for that one. So we're going to call this one done. And that is alternate number 2 using elements from the November 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit, adding in the Christmas Tags and More, the mini corrugated folder, and one of those party banner dies. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for alternate number 3 tomorrow.